Hey guys, that's Rob from Life as Dad, and today we are going to take a tour of a deluxe studio at Disney's Bay Lake Tower at the Contemporary Resort. We're going to be staying in room 7638 tonight. Just in case anybody's wondering, it's 9:53 a.m. We just got here and our room is already ready. And as you can see, we do have individual toiletries. No dispenser in this room. We got a little kitchenette area. With plenty of storage. Small refrigerator. Toaster. Microwave, more storage, a regular coffee maker, and all the utensils and plates and cups are paper products or plastic. Good size closet for storage. And we have the bedroom. So this comes with a queen size bed and then also a pull-out couch that's full size. So this room will sleep 4 people. And this is a lakeside room, so we get a view of the Contemporary and the lake that leads over to Wilderness Lodge and Fort Wilderness. And we're on the 6th floor, so we're 1 floor above the sky bridge that goes over to the Contemporary and the restaurants and shops. So I hope you liked this tour today. You just do me a favor and give this a like, a thumbs up, and a subscribe would be great. And hope to see you soon.